Hi, this is Raghu Prasad. I'm doing my data analytics in National College of Ireland. I've created a data warehouse on British Premier League. For this, I've collected three sources of data. One is from ESPN. I've collected the club details, and another one is from Premier League. I've collected the player details, and the third one is from Twitter data. I've done the Twitter sentiment analysis, and you can see I've done the web scraping to fetch the details from the websites. And let's move on to the database. Yeah, I have created 3 dimensions and 1 fact table. Let's run this. You can see my database has been created and there are no datas. Let's build the SSIS package. Yeah, I've truncated the DB to avoid duplication, and I've created 3 dimensions. In each of the dimension, I'm loading the data from an external source and sorting it out to remove the duplicate values and loading into the database. Let's go to the fact table. Yeah, in the fact data flow control, I'm fetching the data from the external source and looking up with all the dimensions to map the fact details with the dimensions. Let's run this program. You can see that my control flow is getting executed. Okay, I have executed the query and all the data has been fetched. We can go and see in the database. Yeah, my fact table is updated with all the fact details and the dimensions have been loaded. Let's go to SSAS to build the cube. Okay, I have loaded my data source and I've created the data source view, and my data source view takes the star schema where all the dimensions have been mapped to the fact table, and I have built the cube. Let's deploy this cube. My cube has been deployed successfully. I'm going to process this cube for future business analysis. I'm processing my cube. Cube build has been done. Process succeeded. Let's close this and go to Tabulae for business queries. I've created 3 business queries. First one is which club has more aggression based on the red card and yellow card. On this way, like I have get the count of red card and yellow card based on the clubs, and this graphical representation shows Barcelona has more aggressive players than all other clubs. Let's move on to the second question. Okay, my second question is how many shots on target has been converted to goals and by players. You can see shots on target and goal as the parameters, and we can see that Cristiano Ronaldo has converted more goals. He targeted on the he get targeted. Okay, let's move on to the third question. Okay, which player position has committed more fouls and by player name? We can see that defense player and midfielders has committed more fouls than the forward players. From these kind of business queries, we can come to a conclusion with the Premier League details and all. And this is how I have created my data warehouse and created the business queries. Thank you.